Hi, second graders. Happy Tuesday. I hope you all had a really great Monday, and I'm excited to do Number Corner with you again today. We are looking at Tuesday, May 18th, 2021. So, of course, we'll start with our fun fact for the day. We have a platypus here, and it says a platypus is one of only two mammals that lay eggs. So that tells me that mammals probably don't really lay eggs, but the platypus and one other mammal lays eggs, which is kind of cool. It makes them very unique and very special. So that is our fun fact for today. Let's take a look at our kangaroo. Joey is hopping. He is just moving and grooving. So it looks like we just have 3 quick jumps to the left, which is not too bad at all, boys and girls. So if we look here on our calendar observation grid, it's always good to start here. Let's put in the date. It is 5/18, May 18th, and we left off at 380 yesterday. Okay, I'm going to grab my arrow and I'm going to draw. We just have 3 arrows to the left. So this should be a pretty quick one, which is good because we have a game to play today. So let's go to our page here. I'm going to grab my highlighter. I'm going to start, and it was a red box. It was a full red. That means we're going to color our grid full red today. So I'm going to grab my highlighter. I'm going to go to the red one. I'm going to find 380, and I'm going to go back 3. So I'm subtracting 30. 10, 20, 30. 350. So I'm going to color this whole thing in. I wonder what we're going to be coloring, boys and girls. I am so excited about it. I cannot wait to see what it looks like. So let's head back over here. We're going to stop drawing. We're going to add, I'm going to move this up a smidgen. There we go. We're going to add in our equation here. So we started at 380 and we took away 3. We went 3 to the left. So that is 10 each one, so minus 30, and that brought us to 350 for today. So we don't have Number Corner on Wednesday, so on Thursday we're going to do Wednesday and Thursday together. So we'll figure out more of our drawing, which is really awesome. So in your Number Corner book, you can color in your 350 and make sure you take a picture of it, or not, you can color it on your Seesaw slides, okay? Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab out your Number Corner book. You can either use this record sheet on your Seesaw, or you can use it in your Number Corner book, but we are going to play a game, boys and girls. I am so excited. So this game we are playing is a race up to 1,000. So Flyer and Boomer, Joey's mom and dad, are great jumpers, and they love to race each other to see which of the two can get the closest to 5,000 in 5 jumps. So how we're going to play is I'm going to be Flyer and you are going to be Boomer. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to first roll all 3 dice to figure out where each of us is going to start. Then we only get 5 spins and we can decide if we want to jump forward or backward with the amount we land on. The goal is to get to this 1,000, and whoever can get closest to it within 5 wins. What I mean by that is whoever can get between 995, then 1,000, and then 1,005 will be the winner. Okay, so to start us off, we need to roll the dice. So I'm going to roll the dice for my kangaroo to show you what we're going to do. So the 3 numbers I have are 6, 5, and 4. I can arrange these in any order I want. So off the top of my head, I could do like 556, 645, 654, 564, right? There's so many ways that I can put these numbers in order. I want to have the biggest number I can make. And the biggest number I could make would be 654. So Flyer is going to start at 654. So your record sheet is going to look a little different than mine. You are going to be playing, so you're going to write in yours now. I'm going to write mine differently than yours. But I would put here, I would write, I'm playing for Boomer, right? I'm playing for Boomer. Or Flyer, sorry. I'm playing for Flyer. So I'm going to write in a flyer. And our starting number is 654. Yours is going to look a little different. So let's go back to the first page. Now it's Boomer's turn, which is you guys. So let's roll the dice and see. Your numbers are 3, 4, and 2. Okay, so I immediately think 4. I want 4 to be my biggest number. 32 is probably going to be your highest number that you are going to get. So flyer, Boomer is going to start at 432. So you're going to be right about here. And flyer is going to be right about here. Now, maybe a little bit more like right here. Okay, so now we only have 5 spins to get us as close to 1,000 as possible. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am now going to spin the spinner. So on your page, on your record sheet, you are going to have your kangaroo, which your kangaroo is Boomer. So B-O-O-M-E-R. You're going to have Boomer, and you are starting at 432. Okay, so now that you have your game board set up, go find 400, and we're not quite to 50, so we're a little less than half, probably right around here. Okay, now I'm going to go back to this page, and I'm going to spin for myself to get us started. So that was 1 spin, right? Oh, I'm going to spin. That one landed a little bit too close to the line for me, so I'm just going to spin one more time and see if we can get a better. There we go. That's a better one. Okay, so I get to jump 100. So I have 654 plus 100. Well, I want to try to get as close to 1,000 as possible. So my 54 doesn't change because I have zeros there. My 54 doesn't change because I have zeros. And I'm going to add 100 to get 754. So I'm going to jump, boop, to 754. So that was Flyer's turn. Now it's your turn, which I'm going to make you guys, you're going to be the color blue. So I'm going to spin. Oh, okay, you guys got 50. So you're looking at doing 432 plus 50. If I were you guys, I think that we should jump ahead. So let's do that. So it looks like I have a 0 in my ones place and a 2, which doesn't change it. So I have 2. 3 plus 5, or 30 plus 50 is 80. And then I don't have any hundreds, so I keep my 400. So you guys jumped just a little. All right, let's get back to now. So on your record sheet, you're just putting your jump in. So for Boomer, you are just going to do a little jump within this hundreds, right? Because we didn't get more than 100. We didn't get more than 500. We're still less than 500. Okay, so that's what you're gonna have on your record sheet. Now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna do flyer again. So let's spin. Ooh, another 100. Okay, I'm getting close, but I'm going to take another 100. So now I'm going to jump another 100. So I'm going 754 to 854. Awesome. I'm at 854, and that was my second spin. All right, now it's your turn. So let's spin for you. Oh, 50 again. Awesome. Okay, so now we're doing 482 plus another 50. Okay, well, we know for sure again that our ones don't change, so I have a 2. Now I'm doing 80 plus 50. Well, I know that if I did 80 plus 20, I would get 100. So that's 100, and then I have 30 left. So I'm going to put a 3, and now 100 plus 400 is 500. So you have 532. So again, I'll just do it on the sheet. That way you know. That way you can tell. I'm going to go 532. So I'm going to be right about here. And if you want to write in the numbers right here of your jumps, you can absolutely do that. All right, let's head back. It is my turn again to jump. Ooh, another 100. Okay. I think that I'm going to jump one more time. So I was at 854. Ooh, my pen wasn't working. 854, and I'm going to do another 100. Miss Dunning is getting so lucky right now with my hundreds. Again, my 54 doesn't change because I have 2 zeros in my digit place, but 100 plus 800 is 900, so 954. I'm getting really close to that 1,000, right? And you want to make sure that you're at 1,000 or you're within 5 on each side. So if you go over that, then you lose, or if you're 2 under that, then you lose too. So you got to be careful. And remember, you are allowed to go backwards and forwards, okay? So I'm going to put a third. This is our third spin for the both of us. I'm going to spin it. Yay! You got 100. That is awesome. So we were at 532, and we're just going to add 100, which means we just take one big leap over, and you are, oopsie. You are now at 632. 632. That was a good jump for you guys. All right, let's head back over. Miss Stunning's turn. Ooh, yes, good. Okay, 20 is very, very good for Miss Dunning. So I'm going to do 954, and I'm going to add 20. So I know my 4, my 0, that's just going to make 4. 50 plus 20, well, I can just add 2 10s. So 50, 60, 70, and then 900. So I'm just going to make a little leap. 974. That was our 4th spin. Ooh, we are almost to the end, boys and girls. So I'm going to spin for you all. 200. Oh my goodness, that is so awesome. So I'm going to grab the blue, because you guys are blue. 632 plus 100 is 732. But then you got another 100, so you had 832. 832, because 632 plus 200 equals 832. You're almost to 1,000 too, and we get one more spin. So I'm going to go back and do our final spin. Awesome, 50. Ooh. Boys and girls, let's see what happens if Miss Dunning adds 50 and see what she gets. Let's find out. So if I wanted to add my 50. This is good. Sometimes in a game, we have to think through it before we make a decision. So I'm going to think through it and figure out, what do I need to do first? So I know my ones don't change, so I still have 4. 70 plus 50. Well, I know 70 plus 30 is another 100. So that gets me 100, and I still have 20 left. So that's 2. And I know 100 plus 100 is 1,000. That's 1,024. That's a really big jump, because I can only get between 1,000 and 5, which I think that's too big of a jump. So instead, what Miss Dunning is going to do is she's going to do 974 minus 50. I'm going to go backwards, because you're allowed to go backwards, which gets me 4. 70 minus 50 is 20. 924. So Miss Dunning is going to end at 924. Let's see. I guess I probably could have been doing boomers on this page, huh? So you took one jump. Where are you? You guys are like right here, right? So you have one more jump, okay? So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to erase. Ooh, 100. So you guys left off at 832. We're probably going to want to add 100. So let's add 100, which gets you your 2s, your 1s, and your 10s don't change. 800 plus 100 is 900. You guys ended at 932. All right, let's go back to this page here. And let's write in your number. So you got 932. Oh my goodness, boys and girls. Okay, looking at our numbers, we have 924 and 932. Who won the game? Remember, it was who could get closest to 1,000. And the secret? You guys. Great job, second graders. You won our first round of Race Up to 1,000. I am so, so proud of you guys. You did such hard work, and I just cannot believe you won. So here's what you need to do. In your record sheet, you need to put Boomer, 432, and then you need to put the jumps in that we took to end at 932. If you would like to put in the numbers, I will write them in for you right here. So you were at 800.